How can the bank help you?
Well, I've got a regular savings account with you.
Good.
I took it out because of a really good rate, but I've noticed I'm no longer getting that rate.
Well, you see, that particular rate is just to hike people in.
Hike?
Look, it's like fishing. We put a big, fat, juicy worm of a rate on our hook and watch the customers bite.
Yeah. Well, I did bite and I got the big, fat, juicy worm rate.
Yeah, but now we've caught you, we've taken you off the hook and thrown you in the keep net.
Look, to be honest, I'm going to jump out of the keep net and go.
Oh, stop carping on.
I'm going to leave.
Well.
At Nationwide Building Society, we don't tempt you with regular savings rates that end after a year. We offer great rates that last. Nationwide, proud to be different.